large disruptions and some of the large changes that are taking place in the insurance sector, I think there are really a good number of trends that we can think about that will drive what our future looks like. The first one is that we're really starting to see traditional ownership models changing. So people far less likely to own their own home, people are far less likely to own their own car. We're seeing people leasing devices, and clearly that makes a big difference in terms of then the insurance model. I think the second is that we're seeing a huge, and it's impossible to miss, the impact that AI is having on all forms of industry. And what we think we'll see in an insurance perspective is that the actual level of personalized insurance that you will get, whether it's through AI or things like telematics, you will actually be taking insurance down to an individual personalized level based upon what you do, not based upon some broad risk category that you've fallen into. I think in terms of kind of key trends that will impact the industry, clearly one of the big ones is in the auto space, is the move to the autonomous vehicles and the move to electric vehicles. The combustion engine does break down more often than an electric vehicle does, but clearly electric vehicles are more complicated when they do break down. And the autonomous vehicle, which will have a significantly less likelihood of crashing. The first forms of autonomy are really about accident prevention. But then as we think further forward, 10 years from now, where we may be at level 3 or indeed level 4 levels of autonomy, are we going to start to see a shift in terms of who is actually the insured person? Are you insuring yourself when you're no longer driving? Is it the car that's insured? Is it just liability? All those things are going to change the way we think about insurance in the auto space. Thanks for watching and listening. I hope you enjoyed this edition of SoundBytes. If you want to get in touch and find out more, the details are on the screen right now. I will look forward to hearing from you.